right, we're here at Highland Park on Lake Lavon. It's Sunday. Looking like some folks are getting some fish. We got some shad for bait now, and hopefully we'll be able to put on some jug lines and see what happens. Hold it in place. Do you want to leave the gulp on there or no? Huh?
I don't care.
I'll take it off. I'll leave one on and I'll take the other one off. Alright, there you go. We're gonna head over here by these trees and set our jug lines out and we'll see what happens. Yeah. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna try this spot and see if we can get a pattern started. We got our jug lines. We'll just get these set up here shortly. Use different sets of jug lines. This one is just a normal Jugger jug line, and seems to work good for us. We'll just put on a pattern here, get it started. All right, at the first one, see what happens. Did you get one? Oh. All right, this is the one that we call the self-setting one. And what happens is we just kind of bait it up and then we'll let it go into the water by itself. And we'll secure this clip right here so it doesn't hang up. And then we'll go ahead and put on a bait. In this case, some fresh caught shad. And we'll lay it off here to the side. And there it goes. And once it's on the bottom like that, we'll go ahead and re-secure it with the clip so that we're ready to go whenever one bites. Cool beans. Okay, we got two in the water. Let's work on a third one here. We're just going to put out 6 this time. Okay, our fishing partner got a hit on the pole. We're going to see if we can get a jug line situated and go from there. We're using that self-setting one. We got the shad on there, and we'll be able to get this here shortly. And there it goes. It's a little bit deeper. We'll go ahead and set the line now on the clip, and then we'll go from there. All right, we've got 4 out and we got 2 more to go. We had 1 hit. We're not sure if he's still there. We're still putting out our last line. We're gonna go take a look at it and hopefully he's still on there. He was just briefly moving it, not really hitting it hard. Okay, let's see what we got. Overshot it. Come back around. Doesn't look like it's moving much, so he may have came off. But we'll check it out. No, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, we got an eater size. All right. All right, first one of the day. All right, we got this guy. Circle hook's working really good. Of course, now we're hooked onto the deal, but it's okay. Let's go get the tennis ball float / stringer. Get this on the string here shortly. Right. Okay, well, we got that one in the bag. We may have to go get more bait, but luckily we have our cast net, so that's good. Other than that, we're really looking to get 2 so we can do a little fish fry later on. If we get more, it's all gravy after that. Okay, we got the other one back out again, so we're good. And hopefully we'll get another bite here shortly. We had a brief hit cast over here.
Like right where you're at?
Yeah, but let me get out of here. I want to check this one real quick. It was bouncing a moment ago. All right, let's see if there's anything here. No, he let go. All right, this is how we like fishing here. Got our feet up in the air. We're just watching the jug lines and looking to see if we can get dinner tonight. All right, we've got to go run back to shore real quick and get some more bait. We've got 6 jug lines out. Our fishing partner is over there. Got a bite on the line, and we had one shake on the line, or on one of the jug lines. But so far we only had that one. But let's go get more bait. All right, so we got our jug lines. We're just letting it sit, soak, and hopefully we'll get some hits here shortly. Okay, we've got one moving here. Right over here. We're gonna go do a quick run and see what we can find. Yeah, he's shaking it. Let's go for it. Oh, he took it under slightly. Oh, we're gonna chase it. All right, he's on there. He's on there. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, he's a keeper. Keeper to keeper.
Oh, I got one.
Oh, do you?
Just got off. I'm running with it. Pull my bait.
Steady. All right, catfish number 2. All right, we got this one over here moving. He actually kind of dipped under, so let's see if we can get him. All right, he's shaking, feeling good. Oh yeah. Got a good pull on it. All right, not bad. All right, cool beans. Give you an idea of what we've been using. We've got the Jugger line that you buy at Academy, and then we got the ones that we made. These are the ones that will sit in this direction because we've got some weights, and pretty much sets the are easier to deploy compared to the Jugger, but bottom line, they both work. Alrighty, fun stuff. All right, looks like our fishing partner got one on the jug line. Just gonna run up there real quick. All right, wind's kicked up, and we're working our way to our fishing partner. Hopefully we'll be there here shortly. Do you have one of the floats? Let me see it, Mama. Oh, wow, he's a nice one. Very nice. You got him? Yeah. I'll go ahead and pick up everything if you want. You can go ahead and start heading back. All right, well, we got 4. We lost the crappie, but the wind's kicking up, so we're going to pick up the jug lines and call it a day. Okay, last one to pick up, and then we're going to head back to the ramp and see what we got. I think we got 4 catfish. Look like 3 blue cats and 1 channel. And then we did lose that 1 crappie for yours truly. Fishing partner caught it, but yours truly, well, messed up. All right, headed back to the boat ramp. Should be there here shortly. Notice that a lot more kayak fishing, or kayakers on the lake now. It's good stuff. All right, got a lot of water in the boat this time, or the kayak. Just gonna go and empty it, and then we'll be ready to go out. You can see there's a lot of waves out there, a lot of wind waves. All right, here's today's catch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Full beans.